Good morning students. Today date is 27th of August 2021 and we are going to do worksheet number 11, square and square root. Today we will be just learning some important facts about squares of numbers. Okay, so we are starting from a very interesting story. Twin sisters Priya and Riya have been discussing about reopening of the school. When our school reopens, during the assembly session, we will stand maintaining a distance of 6 feet from each other. Okay, beta, they are talking about social distancing. Riya said that there are 1027 students in our school and we all will stand in the form of a square, such that each row consists as many students as the number of column. Because we all know square means all the four sides are equal. That means number of rows should be equal to number of students in each row. Then only we can form a square. Okay. So total number of rows will be same as the number of children in one row. So what Priya said, Priya replied that 127 children can't take the shape of square. Priya asked that how can you say? Do you know the method to find the square root of 1027? Priya replied that I know the method to find the square of any number but don't know the method to find the square root of any number. You people also know method to find the square of a number. In worksheet 10 we have already learned how to find the square of a number. Square of a number is represented as, like if we have to find 7 square, it will be represented as this. 7 to the power 2 means 7 square, and it means 7 has to be multiplied by itself. A number is multiplied twice to find the square of that number. This is clear to everybody? Okay, we have learned in worksheet 10. But we also don't know how to find square root. Shame, Priya is replying the same thing, that she don't know how to find the square root, but she knows how to find the square of a number. And by that method only she can say that 1027 children can't take the shape of a square. Priya asked her to prove your statement. What she said? She said that have a look on the table. So what is there in the table, beta? We have written some numbers, like number from 1 to 40 I have written, and square of those numbers. Like square of 1 is 1, 2 is 4, 3, 9, 4, 16, 5, 25, 6, 36, 7, 49 and so on. Okay. Now what we have to observe, beta, look at the table very carefully and you will observe that some numbers, some digits are repeating at unit place. Okay, like 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1. Again same pattern started 0, 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, 0. Okay, same digits are repeating, a pattern is followed. So what Priya said, do you observe something? Priya said what? Priya said, there are some digits which come again and again at the unit place on squaring a number and form a specific pattern. And there are some digits also which can't come at the units place on squaring a number. So, okay, we are now going to generalize it. That what does she mean? There are some numbers, there are some digits which are repeating. So what are the digits? 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, 0. This pattern we are following. 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, 0. This sequence of digits repeatedly will come again and again and the pattern will never change forever. Every time whenever we are multiplying, whenever we are just finding the square, we will be getting the same pattern. There are only 6 digits. What are the 6 digits? 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 in this pattern, and remaining 4 digits. What are the remaining 4 digits? 2, 3, 7 and 8. Can't come at unit place while squaring any whole number. So what you have to remember, beta, if we are just squaring any number, what will be the unit place? Unit place can be 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. And if in a number unit place is 2, 3, 7 and 8, it can't be a square number. It can't be a square of any number. Okay, this you have to remember very carefully. Remember the digits, these 6 digits are the unit place of square numbers, and 2, 3, 7 and 8 can't come in at the unit place. Okay, we'll be doing the questions. First question is, find the unit place digit of the following numbers on squaring. So here unit place is 8. We can easily search from the table beta that when 8 is there at the unit place, what is the unit place of the square number? 4. Like here also beta, 8, 4. We can take another number. When 8 is there at the unit place, the number at unit place in the square number is 4. So answer will be 4. Similarly, you can, with the help of the table, you can do it yourself. Okay, so have a look at the table and just do these questions. Second question is, tick from the following numbers which is not a perfect square. So what we remember, beta, what we have to remember, the numbers, the digits which can't be there at the unit place in square numbers. These are, what are these beta? 3, okay, then 7, 8 and 2. 2, 3, 7 and 8 can't be there at unit place. So we have to tick the numbers which is not a perfect square. So it can be a perfect square. 8. Unit place is 8. That means it can't be a perfect square. Similarly, 7 is there. That means it can't be a perfect square. This way you have to tick. Or you can also write, it can't be a perfect square, and it can be a perfect square. Likewise, you can write in statements also. Okay. Third question is, from the following numbers, which numbers will not affect its unit place on squaring or cubing? So have a look on the table again beta. Like if we are squaring 1, answer is 1. So unit place is same beta. See, it's not changing, it's not altering. We are getting the same number at the unit place. But in case of 2, if we are squaring 2, unit place is changing. 3, again it's changing. 4, it becomes 16, 6 at the unit place, so it's changing. 5, 25. So again it's not changing. 5. Then 6 and 0. So 4 cases are there when we have 1, 5, 6 or 0 at the unit place. We will having the same digit 1, 5, 6 and 0 respectively at their unit place in the square number. Okay, at the unit place. So 1, 5, 6 and 0 doesn't changes. So what we have to remember, 1, 5, 6 and 0. It should be there on at the unit place. So here what is there? 8. 8 beta. So will it change on squaring or cubing? Will the unit place change? So will it affect? Yes, it will change. And if 5 is there, it will not change. No, there will be no change. Okay. Similarly, 1 is there, 7 is there and 6 is there. Do it yourself. And beta, always keep on wearing the mask. And whenever you are just moving outside your home, wear the mask, follow social distancing and keep washing your hands, keep sanitizing your hands. Okay, thank you. Do this work properly and send it in the maths group. Thank you.